Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put chlorine tablets in a pool filter. However, it is crucial to understand why placing them directly into your filter is not recommended. Chlorine tablets are highly concentrated and very acidic, which can severely damage your expensive pool equipment over time. This direct exposure can corrode internal filter components, leading to costly repairs and potentially voiding your equipment warranty. There are much safer and more effective ways to chlorinate your pool. A simple and popular alternative is using a floating chlorine dispenser. These devices allow tablets to dissolve gradually, distributing chlorine throughout your pool water in a controlled manner. You can easily adjust the vents on the dispenser to regulate the rate of chlorine release, ensuring consistent sanitation. Remember to always remove the floating dispenser from the pool before anyone enters the water to prevent direct contact with concentrated chlorine. For a more integrated and hands-off approach, consider installing an automatic chlorine feeder, also known as a chlorinator. These units are plumbed directly into your pool's circulation system, delivering a consistent and precise amount of chlorine. You can easily adjust a dial to fine-tune the chlorine output, maintaining optimal water chemistry with minimal effort. This solution is particularly beneficial for larger pools or those seeking consistent, automated chlorination. Regardless of your chosen method, always prioritize safety when handling chlorine tablets. Wear protective gloves and eye protection to avoid skin and eye irritation. Store chlorine in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated location, away from other chemicals, to prevent dangerous reactions. Never mix different types of chlorine or other pool chemicals together. Regularly test your pool water to ensure balanced chemistry for a safe and enjoyable swimming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.